On today's Natural Home with Jennifer, I'm going to be cleaning my entire bathroom with just water. Not the toilet, I'm not that natural, but the entire bathroom, everything else with just water. Welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. I'm whispering because the baby is asleep, but I have my coffee here. And by the way, I've never showed you this. This is my coffee mug. Have you seen this? This is the first rendition, so there's my lipstick. There's no logo on this side, but the new ones have the logo on both sides. Okay, the last time I did a video of me cleaning my bathroom, over 11,000 people watched. Isn't the internet a strange thing? I don't know why, but people just really like that video. So I'm going to be doing it again today, but this time the twist is that I'm using just water to clean my bathroom. So I'm going to be using all of my eCloths. I'm going to be using the multi-surface cloth for the countertops and the other surfaces. I'm going to be using the glass cloth for the mirrors. And then I'm going to be mopping the floors with their mop head, which I really like. Then I'm excited to try this. They sent this to me in the mail and they just randomly send me their products, which I really like. It's so exciting for me. But anyway, this is, it's called the Extra Fresh Pad. And so I plan to try this on the bathtub because a lot of people ask me how to clean a bathtub. Normally I just use the Grove bathtub cleaner, but I'm going to be trying this for all of you who like eCloths and to see if this actually works. Now our bathtub is really dirty. It's kind of shocking. Not because I haven't cleaned it in a while, but because this whole week I've been using bath oils and I even did a charcoal face mask and I washed it off in there. And you know, that tends to have a lot of residue and buildup. So the bathtub looks really dirty because of all of that. So anyway, I'm going to be testing these out to see if they actually work for the first time. Come along with me and let's get cleaning.
Okay, even though I'm cleaning with just water, I'm still wearing my rubber gloves. I don't know, it's out of habit. And coffee is a necessity. So I'm just gathering all of the towels and bath mats and anything that's washable, taking them to the laundry. By the way, my pretty apron was a gift from my mother-in-law. She put that in my husband's case the last time he went to England, and I love this apron. I appreciate it so much. So I only have water in this spray bottle. So what I do with the eCloths is I just take a reusable spray bottle that I already have and I fill it with only water. So there's no concentrate or cleaning solution in here. And I find that that's easiest. Sometimes you can just also take a damp cloth and go beforehand. Either way, it's fine. I'm starting on Ben's vanity here, and I'm just taking the multi-purpose cloth and cleaning everything. Every now and then I wring it under hot water and I squeeze it and I just keep going, and that's what they recommend. So, I mean, you'd be amazed how clean everything gets. It works really well. And now I'm just going to repeat the process on the rest of the countertops. So I'm just cleaning the mirrors with the glass cloth and the countertops with the multi-purpose cloth. Spring has arrived in Southern California. What's it like where you live? I would love to know. Let me know in the comments section below. I don't know why, but I have an errant photo album. Look at our baby boy. Is he not the cutest? And now I'm doing my side of the vanity, so I'm just taking everything off. You probably recognize all those products there. And that is Anne Hathaway's house in England. We went to go visit there last time we went, and I loved her house. We bought some artwork from there. So I'm just going to spray the mirror again with water and wipe and repeat on the countertops. So something that I struggle with, I guess, with our bathroom is how much I want to renovate it. I have grand visions in my head of how beautiful it could be if it were like this or like that, and I think of the different marbles I would use and tiles, and I kind of let my imagination run wild. But I truly am working on being happy with my surroundings as they are. We might be redoing our kitchen soon, but the bathrooms will not be done for, well, a very long time, so I need to find contentment in them. This is my perfume tray, and I haven't been wearing too much perfume lately because of the baby, but I do love keeping them. That's the Stella, that's the Dovana by Sylvain Delacour, and I have my Jo Malone fragrances, which are lovely, Blackberry and Bay and Grapefruit. Not sure what the others are, but I could leave them listed below. They're so pretty. I love the Jo Malone packaging. And then a little tray that my friend gave me there. Okay, I'm going to tackle this crazy bathtub. So you can see the ring around it. That's from all of the oils and masks that I've been doing. I've really been trying self-care lately because I'm stressed. So, okay, here we go. So I'm taking the scrubber and you can just see the dirt coming right off, and it's very gentle. It doesn't scratch the tub. Do you see the dirt? There you go. I actually like to use as little cleaning solution as possible in the bathtub because I've had a negative experience of getting into a bathtub that had been cleaned with one of the harsher scrubbing chemicals, and I felt like I was just soaking in a tub of that. So I love that this only uses water. Pretty amazing. And now I'm just going to clean the shower. Now, when we purchased the house, there are parts of it that just are kind of grimy, just from the previous wear and tear of the owners who lived there previously. So I just do what I can with the shower. And here's a close-up of the scrubbing cloth. So it really catches on to the dirt and the grime. I'm quite impressed with it. And since then, by the way, I have washed it, and it washes well, and it still works well. So there's our bathtub. Nice and clean, and absolutely no chemicals used. Okay, now I'm going to mop the floor. I did a video on the eCloth mop. I can link that below. But what you do is you just squeeze the mop head under water, and I'm just showing you my nice countertop now. It's gleaming. And you place it on the floor and you put the mop on, and that's it. You just mop the floor with water, and it works really well. Again, it just catches up the dirt and debris. So my favorite part is putting the towels on, and I was too ambitious and my pile fell over completely. But I'm just putting down the new bath mats, all fluffy and clean. I love this part. It means that I'm almost done. Now I do realize that filming myself cleaning the bathroom is rather strange. I mean, it is, let's be honest. Ben and the kids actually think that I'm crazy. But I like watching these types of videos, so I hope that you enjoyed watching this too. I'm just hanging up the towels. Oh, there's nothing like a clean bathroom. It's so beautiful.
Okay, my job is done. That wasn't too bad, and it was really easy to do, and I'm really impressed with all of the eCloth products. I really do love them. So it's nice to switch it up every now and then, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining me today on The Daily Connoisseur, and I'll see you next time. Bye!